This is Oliver Slope with Blue Line Futures coming to you from the floor of the CME here in Chicago with your grain market update. And we have seen a lot of pressure in the outside markets kind of shift the money flow, and specifically in beans, finding a little bit of ground here, which is nicely. That May contract right around that $9 level is a little bit tempting here, especially when you're a money manager looking for places to park money. The demand for grains is a little bit more inelastic than something like, say, an Apple Watch. So if you're looking for somewhere to park money, potentially commodities like the grain sector is a place to look. If we can defend this $9 level to round out the week and we don't get any really bearish news over the weekend, I think there's opportunity for this soybean futures market to work a little bit higher. 920 is the next upside target. There's a key retracement as well as a moving average up there that we're watching very closely. As far as the corn goes, we are in uncharted territory, so we have made new lows, and this is obviously not a bullish sign by any means. Lower lows and lower highs has been the trend over the past couple of weeks. We're kind of waiting to see the dust settle a little bit more here. If the outside markets start to kind of subside a little bit and that fear dissipates, I think there'll be an opportunity for some relief rallies, but ultimately the bears are in full control of that chart from the technical perspective. Wrapping things up with the wheat market. Wheat is really the thing that we've been hammering down on the bearish side. Selling rallies after that head and shoulders was confirmed a couple weeks ago. We got up against 540 to 545. This was a Fibonacci retracement as well as a 100-day moving average. Failed to get out above here, and the sellers stepped back in. We have prices testing 520 to 525, which represents a 50% retracement and 200-day moving average. Potentially a little relief here on the back of the U.S. dollar softening up, but I think ultimately we'll set up for another selling opportunity out over the longer term. If you want to be long wheat, consider looking at that Kansas City contract. This has been Oliver Slope, Blue Line Futures from the floor of the CME.